Beleza, Tavi here from Rio Love Story, and today I'm so excited. We're doing now a fantastic program from a group from the United States. We're heading to pick them up right now. Me and the guide here, Rogerio, and Wagner, the driver here. Let me see here. Here is Wagner. Okay, so it's gonna be amazing. We're going to pick up this group, and then we're heading to Pantanal. We're gonna spend 3 nights in Pantanal, where we're gonna see all kinds of wildlife, nature adventures, right? And then we're heading to Bonito. But on the way to Bonito, we're stopping to do Boca da Onça, which is this amazing waterfall. It's 156 meters high and just amazing. There we're gonna also have lunch included, chill at this natural lake that's there, and after that we're arriving to Bonito. And Bonito is famous for also wildlife adventures, specifically a lot of things that you do in the water. For example, we are going to snorkel in the 3rd clearest river in the world, Baja do Sucuri. I'm so excited, and this trip is so amazing, and yeah, let's go pick up this group and let's get started. Beleza. So we came to the place here, the lodge inside the Pantanal, and just had lunch, and now gonna relax a little bit before we do a boat tour here in Pantanal.
I made myself a great glass of milk, and it was delicious, and everybody needs to try it.
The adventure continues, and now we are going on a sunset horse ride.
Okay, let's go.
Last night in Pantanal, tonight, and we are going on piraya fishing and night safari. Tomorrow we leave early to go to Bonito, stopping by Boca da Onça to do the hike.
150 per minute.
Look at this. Caiman is huge. They just threw him a pariah fish and he munched it.
I'm going to fish for piranha and feed it to them.
It's 5:30 in the morning now, and today we're leaving Pantanal to go to Bonito. We're gonna continue this wild nature adventure in Bonito, and on the way we're gonna stop by at Boca da Onça, the mouth of the Jaguar. This is the tallest waterfall here in the state of Mato Grosso do Sul. Let's go. just arrived to our lodge here in Bonito. Very nice place. Beleza. Today we're gonna do snorkeling in Baja do Sucuri River. This river has the third clearest water in the world. Let's go.
I got the don't want none unless you got bone, huh?
I'm never gonna let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm never gonna let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no.
Beleza. So we did Rio Love Stories, Pantanal and Bonito trip. What did you think, guys, about the trip?